Hey everybody, Misty Trick. We're taking a look at question number 3, which represents the relationship between x and y shown in the table. And they give you this. I'm not really a big fan of the horizontal presentation, so what I've done here is I've rewritten it in this format, and leave yourself some room in the middle, because what we're going to do is we're going to take each function for each answer choice. This is A right here. We'll substitute it in to see which one fits. So if we substitute in our values for x, see our value for x here is a 0, and add 1 to it. 2 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is that 2. It's not. So we can reject that choice. It's not that, because it already doesn't work for the first one. So that's a no. All right, let's get that out of there. Let's try. This is choice B. Write it in the middle. And now let's substitute in our values. So we have 2. We substitute in our value of a 0 and add 3. Now 2 times 0 is 0. Is 0 plus 3 that? It's not. So that's another one we'll reject. That's going to be a no. Let's try choice C. Here's the function, 3x minus 1. All right, let's substitute in the values. 3, substitute in a 0 for x. All right, 3 minus 0 is 0. And if I do 0 minus 1, aren't I looking at negative values? So it's probably not that. Let's look at choice D. The function for that is 3x plus 2. Let's substitute in our values, 3, and then we'll put in the value of a 0 plus 2. So 3 times 0 is 0, and if we add 2 to 0, we do get 2. So let's make sure it works for the others. Substitute in the 1 for x. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Make sure it works for all of them. Substitute in the 2 for the x. This times this is 6 plus 2 is 8. And let's make sure it works for the final one. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. So we found it. The answer would clearly be choice D, because 3x plus 2 matches this right here. All right, hopefully you found this helpful.